Morocco has signed a contract with Airbus Helicopters to acquire 10 H225M helicopters to replace its long-serving Puma helicopter fleet. The new helicopters will be used in combat search and rescue missions within the Royal Moroccan Air Force. Airbus announced that the H225M will be equipped with a dual crane system and the Safran Euroflir 410 electro-optical system. The helicopters will also be able to carry machine guns and electronic warfare systems to ensure their own safety. Speaking at the Dubai Air Show, Airbus Helicopters CEO Bruno even said, "We are honored that Morocco has chosen to replace its existing Puma fleet with the H225M. This is another step in the partnership we have been building with the Kingdom of Morocco for decades." The H225M is gaining strong momentum in the market. This helicopter is the benchmark for complex missions in challenging environments. This order reinforces the H225M reputation as the helicopter of choice for combat search and rescue and special operations worldwide. Morocco acquired 40 Puma helicopters from France in 1974, and the remaining fleet underwent modernization in 2007. Airbus has been operating in Morocco through Airbus Atlantic since 1951. Airbus Atlantic provides composite manufacturing, assembly of complex metal sub-assemblies, and maintenance and support services for avionics equipment. In 2024, Airbus Helicopters announced that a customer center would be established in Morocco, and it was stated that this center would provide support to 60 Airbus helicopters serving in the Royal Air Force, Royal Navy and Royal Moroccan Gendarmerie. The new H225M supply contract includes a support and service package covering related services. The existing infrastructure will be converted into a service center with new dedicated facilities for maintenance, repair and overhaul, MRO, becoming the regional hub for Airbus helicopters in West Africa.